In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset AutoCAD to its default settings. This can be helpful if you're experiencing software issues, unexpected behavior, or simply want to restore the original workspace configuration. To begin, open the Options dialog box by typing Options in the command line and pressing Enter, or by right-clicking in the drawing area and selecting Options. Next, navigate to the Profiles tab and locate the profile that is currently active. Select the active profile and click the Reset button. AutoCAD will display a confirmation message asking if you want to restore the profile to its default settings. Click Yes to proceed. Once the reset is complete, your profile settings will return to their original defaults, removing any custom changes that may be causing issues. This is a quick and effective way to troubleshoot workspace and configuration problems. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.